What will you be? When you grow up, what will you be? There are so many jobs to choose from, a whole world of possibilities waiting for you. You could be a doctor, helping people feel better when they're sick. Or maybe you'll be a brave firefighter, rushing to help when there's a fire. You could drive a big red truck and use a long hose to spray water high into the air. If you like helping people and keeping them safe, you could be a police officer. You would make sure everyone follows the rules and help people who are lost. Do you love stories and pretending? You could be an actor on a big stage or in a movie that everyone watches. You could be a hero, a villain, or even a funny talking animal. If you like to travel and see new places, you could be a pilot and fly a big airplane through the clouds. You would see the world from high above, like a bird. Or maybe you love sports. You could be a famous baseball player, hitting home runs out of the park, or a fast hockey player, skating on the ice. Do you like to build things? You could be a carpenter, using tools to build houses and furniture. You could create something amazing with your own 2 hands. If you love animals, you could be a veterinarian and take care of them when they are sick. You could help puppies, kittens, and even big animals like horses. Do you like to cook and make yummy food? You could be a chef in a busy kitchen, creating delicious meals for everyone to enjoy. You could be a teacher, helping children learn new things, or a writer, creating wonderful stories for people to read. The world is full of amazing jobs, and you can be anything you want to be.